So today we are going to learn about how to troubleshoot fridge problems. My friend today called me. He had a fridge issue. It wasn't working. It couldn't power on. So this is the fridge I'm going to work on today. You can take a look at it inside. Here we have the freezing compartment. This is the food compartment. These are the shelves. These are the doors. Here inside you have the lights. This is timer. Here the thermostat inside. And these are the 10 days where water drains from that hole inside there. Come at the back. This fridge has an evaporator. It just contains condenser, as you're seeing it this side. This is the condenser. Some of you may call it wires. These are not wires. This is a condenser. It has got fins. These are fins, and this is the condenser. This one, the large pipe, is the condenser. Then down here, this is a compressor. It's the one that compresses the refrigerant. This is the start relay, and this is capillary tube plus the valve. This is the drainage container. When water drains, it comes here. I think that's all. So let's start. I had removed the cover already. This is the cover that was at the back, covering the compressor plus other parts inside. Let's start the repairing. We're good to go now. So before we proceed, these are the tools I'm going to be using today. This is Phillips screwdriver plus a tester and a multimeter. These ones will help me to fix the problem. Let me put the camera over here so I can start fixing. So before going any further, I'll start. Let me start with this. It has got a fuse inside. Start checking the fuse. Let me turn on my multimeter. This fuse is dead. It's blown off. We got a new one. Let me replace it. The old one was the one that was inside, so let me replace the old one, the new one. They gave me fridge couldn't power on. This was the one that was inside, so I replaced it with this one. Let me test it, whether it will work. There you go. It's working. It's working. The light is on, and we are good to go. For more videos, subscribe. You can call me as well, you can inbox me. Yeah, you can